Here's a little tip on something a lot of people don't know. The Uru always beats the Séimhiú. What does that mean? Well, obviously all the time in the language you'll have Urus entering words and you'll have Séimhiús entering words, but normally exclusively to one another. But sometimes in the language you'll have a reason to have both. I'll give you a few examples in a second, but when you have a reason to use both, you don't use both, otherwise the word would sound crazy. How would you even pronounce it? You just use the Uru. So think of it like a game of rock, paper, scissors. The Uru is paper, the Séimhiú is rock, the Uru always wins. A good example is with the complication, and this is where it tends to come up most often. So think of he would be. It's going to be verche for he would be. So I have a little Séimhiú there as part of the verb. But then if I'm saying would he be, I need to use on as my help word for the question, and that forces an Uru. So all of a sudden I have a reason to have an Uru because of the on, but I also have a reason to have a Séimhiú because it's complication, so we just use the Uru. The Uru beats the Séimhiú. So therefore it's going to be on merche for would he be. Same thing after the go. That is always going to force an Uru onto a verb. So I think that she would be here. So ceapam go merch she on seo, even though she would be by itself would be verch she. So hopefully that makes sense. Might not come in super useful, but when it does come up, at least you'll know the Uru always wins over the Séimhiú.